$3 in my bank account, and I've been grinding for months. I know what it feels like to work hard, save, and still see little progress. Watching others make money, invest, and live freely, while you're figuring out your finances, it's frustrating. But here's the truth. Wealth isn't luck. It's smart action. First, control your spending. Track every expense, cut small leaks, and make every dollar count. With small habits add up faster than you think. Second, build multiple income streams. Freelance, invest, start side hustles. Even small steps can grow into real money over time. Third, invest smartly. Stocks, mutual funds, crypto, small businesses. Start with what you understand. Patience and consistency beat quick wins every time. Fourth, learn financial literacy. Budgeting, taxes, investing, retirement plans. Knowledge gives you an edge most people miss. Fifth, mindset matters. Money won't fix laziness or bad habits. Save first, spend later. Build skills. Stay patient. Your mindset compounds faster than any interest rate. I've made mistakes. I wasted money, missed opportunities. But every mistake taught me something. And now I see progress. My savings grow. My investments grow. My confidence grows. You don't need luck or a rich family. Small, consistent steps define your wealth. And here's the deal. I put all my effort into sharing what I learned so you can take control of your money. Every video I make is to help people like you. If you find value here, subscribing helps both of us. You remember these lessons? I can keep creating. Start now. Track, learn, invest, build skills. Even a small step matters. If this felt personal, comment. I'm ready. Subscribe if you want to keep learning and building with me. Your turn to build wealth, confidence, and freedom.